Today we're going to look at how we can utilise the Property Market Intel platform to find discounted and direct-to-vendor deals. In order to complete the direct-to-vendor part of this tutorial, you need to have a pro plan to be able to access the full addresses. However, you can still access discounted properties with any plan available on the platform. So the first thing we're going to do is we're going to go into on-market residential. Now you can click either search by postcode or draw custom search. It's up to you. We're just going to draw custom search. For the point of the tutorial, we're just going to select a custom. We'll do quite a large area. We'll then select in here. We'll then see reduce by, and we'll go, let's say, reduce by more than 10%. So we can see that's instantly brought the number down to around 2,000 properties. We can push that even further and look at properties that have been reduced by 15%. In this case, we're just going to look at detached properties. So we can see now we've only got 248, and we can further filter this down by minimum asking price, number of bedrooms, time in the market. We can also look at estimated yield. So we can say 19 properties that have an estimated yield of over 6% and being reduced by 15%. But let's just take that off for the example to give us more properties to play with. We can then also go into these filters and select if people are looking for chain-free, auctions, repos, unmodernised, large properties, etc. But let's just go with what we've got. So we can now see here these are all properties that have been reduced by more than 15% since the original listing. We can see here as well, so if you're wanting to go direct to vendor to these opportunities, we can actually see that under the full address section, you can see the addresses listed. So this is 12 Barmount News, CV10 9GF, and as we go down, you can see this continues throughout. So if you're looking for opportunities that we've seen, for example, this looks like a good opportunity here. It was listed originally for 205, it's now getting listed for 160. The address is 35 Saplings, Woodside, Telford. It might be worth contacting, going direct to vendor, letting them know that you're interested in the property, you've seen the large reduction, and they might be able to do you a better deal than what's on offer, or etc. So if you're also wanting to export any of the properties, you can just go to Get CSV, which will export your full search in a CSV. You can set up email alerts for the search. You can also save the search so that you can come back and just click on the dashboard. Dead simple. We can go in and edit down further if there's other filters you want to apply, narrow down the search. You can also look by search by map. You can also look in a simple table view, which gives you the ability to easily filter every single property, easily search through every single property rather than look through different pages, etc. So that's pretty much a quick tour on how you can use the platform to first find properties that have been discounted and price reduced, and then also follow up with the full address so you can go direct to the vendor and try and get a better deal, a better opportunity than what's on the market, possibly avoid the estate agent and contact the vendor.